Hello students, good afternoon to all. So today we'll start new lesson 3, that is the types of software. So this what is software? This software is a set of programs which is designed to perform a well-defined function. Designed to perform well-defined functions. Whatever the work you have to do, that we have to define in a program. A program is a sequence of instructions written to solve a particular problem. So this program is a sequence of instructions, means computer execute the instructions one by one in a sequence. So that is the program. So this software are two types: system software and application software. So basically, a computer without instructions is like a car without driver. Like a car having no driver, similarly a computer without software, without program, is nothing. So a set of instructions which perform a specified task, whatever group of instructions that you have made for a particular task to complete a particular task, that is called a program. So the collection of computer programs that provides the instruction to a computer like what to do and how to do is known as software. So without software, computers are unable to function. Hardware and software are interdependent. Means both are dependent to each other. Without software, a computer cannot work. Without hardware, software is also unable to perform the task. Similarly, if hardware is not there, software is of no use. So both are interdependent to each other. As the trees and humans are interdependent to each other. So humans are dependent on the trees for oxygen, and trees are dependent on the human being for carbon dioxide. Like that. Next, this is a computer software is a collection of program and procedures that instructs a computer how to perform different types of tasks. The software enhances the capability of the hardware and directs the computer to perform operations like input, processing and output. The software can be classified into two types: system software and application software. Two types of software are there: system software and application software. So what is the system software? You see, the system software is a collection of programs designed to operate, control and extend the processing capabilities of the computer itself. So all the hardware resources is managed by the system software only. So the system software is a collection of one or more programs which are designed to control the overall operation and performance of a computer system. System software acts as an interface. How it acts? Acts as an interface. Okay, the system software is acts as an interface, means as a medium between the user and the computer. So what I am giving the instruction with the mouse, with the keyboard, that goes to the system software, and this system software interact with the hardware. So some of the functions it performs is, what is the function of the system software? It reads the data from the input devices. System software helps to read the data from the input devices, to transmit the process information to the output devices, or to check the working order of the peripheral devices, means all the hardware which are connected to the computer like the keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner, all these things. To convert the data and instruction into the binary form, because the hardware of the computer understands only the machine language, and this machine language are in terms of the zeros and one, and this 0 and 1 indicates the state of the electricity, that is the voltage low and voltage high. 1 represents the high voltage and 0 represents the low voltage, means charge present or charge absent. Generally, system software is installed by the manufacturer. So this system software is generally prepared by the computer manufacturers. They install this software, system software. These software products comprises of programs written in low-level languages which interact with the hardware at a very basic level. So the program of the system software means that is the operating system's program is written in the machine language, low-level language. System software serves as the interface between the hardware and the end user. So many examples of the system software are operating system, compiler, interpreter, assembler, etc. All these are the system software which interact with the hardware: operating system, compilers, interpreter, assemblers, all this. Now Microsoft Windows is an operating system, Linux operating system. So all these are the System software. Here is a list of some prominent features of the system software. This system software is close to the system, fast in speed, difficult to design, difficult to understand, less interactive, smaller in size, difficult to manipulate, and generally written in low level language. Application software, on the other hand, the system software is also classified into four categories, that is operating system, language processors, compiler interpreter, device drivers like mouse driver, keyboard driver, printer driver, or utility software. Next, the application software. So in this application software also comprises of three categories: general purpose application software, specific purpose application software, and customized software. Okay. So now application software. Application software products are designed to satisfy the particular need of a particular environment. All software applications prepared in the computer lab can come under the category of application software. Application software may consist of a single program, such as Microsoft's Notepad for writing and editing a simple text. It may also consist of a collection of programs, often called a software package, which work together to accomplish a task, such as a spreadsheet package. So many application softwares are there, like the Microsoft Word, on which I have written these notes. That is the payroll software, student record software, payroll software for generating the salary of the employees, inventory management software to manage the storeroom, income tax software to calculate the income tax, railway reservation software to book the tickets, Microsoft Office suite software, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. All these are the application software. Features of this application software: close to the user, not close to the machine system, close to the user, easy to design, more interactive. Here the graphical user interface you can see: home tab, insert tab, cut, copy, paste operation. Slow in speed, working it slow. Generally written in the high level language, means in English it is written. Easy to understand, easy to manipulate and use, but bigger in size and requires a large storage space. Okay, so this is all for the today, students. In the next class we will study about the operating system. Thank you for your kind attention.